This video we're going to be adding the modulo operator with this fraction class. So let's really think what a modulo operator is. It just gets a remainder after a division operation, right? So how can we add this with fractions? Well, if you divide two fractions, let's say we have 2 divided by 8/7. First, we flip and then turn it into a multiplication problem. Then now what? Well, you multiply it out, you get 35/16. And then this fits evenly twice, a remainder of 3/16. Yeah, okay. So let's test it out. And I bet 3/16 is just one, yeah. Alright. So then do we get 3/16? We do modulo? No. I think what you have to do is we multiply this by this and then subtract it to this. So 5/2 minus 8/7 times 2, and then that is the same. Okay, so the formula to get modulo, let's find how many times is it dividend? I don't know. The dividend fits into divisor. I don't know if that's the right term. Then subtract divisor dividend times how many times it fits, and that should work. You can always just convert it to decimal, but I'm gonna try to keep it in fractions. So static modulo one back 2, and then first see how many times it fits. So we're going to this dot divide fractions, 1, 2, and then we're going to do math.for. So then this is how many times it fits evenly. And since there's no fractional or a decimal part, it's going to be a whole number. So then subtract the divisor with decimal. We're going to treat fraction more like the divisor. And then and I think that's right. Let's try. Okay. No. Correct 1. Correct 2. And that's just 2. Also, I just realized it's not going to work. No, actually it will. Never mind. No. This isn't going to work. Subtract fractions. Subtract. And then multiply fractions. And we can just treat fits evenly like a fraction, even though it's a whole number. And then that should work. Nope. Maximum exceeded if it... Not a number. Okay. Oh, okay. That's as a fraction. So let's just convert it to a decimal. And then lower it. Then let's try. So does 3.5 fit evenly into 2? So let's just make sure that's right. So 10 over 5. Yeah, it does 3 times. Okay. Oh, okay. So Where did I get that? Where did I get that? Oh, from here, okay. Hmm. Oh, this isn't a fraction. And then why does this not run? Here's a little shortcut. Click Control KC. Comment out the line. Where's this running? Hmm. Let's try this first. Okay. So it's something with simplify fraction, because that's not running. Thought I put that as a fraction. Oh, okay. Now I know what I did wrong. So, now it works. There it is. And we get 1/5, which is more accurate than that. There it is. Okay. So it works. A little bit of troubleshooting. If we test it out, it's more accurate than the standard way. So, yeah, that's how you can add modulo operator to fractions in JavaScript. Yeah, sub if you want, like if you want.